Hello and welcome to Cindy's Corner. To my students and parents around the world, welcome to Cindy's Corner where we talk about numbers. Today I would like for you to leave some comments below, give me some ideas, tell me what you think of anything else we could talk about. We're all going to talk about adding versus multiplication. We're still on that subject. Adding versus multiplication. If we're adding 9 plus 3, if we're adding 9 plus 3, we know that we just have to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 9 plus 3 is 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. We know that. Adding versus multiplication. What if we're going to multiply 9 times 3? What do we do then? Cindy's Corner, we know what we're doing. We're going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to take 9 basketballs and we're going to put 9 basketballs in a box. We want to put 9 basketballs in the box. We're going to put it in 2 boxes. We're going to put it in 3 boxes. Then we'll know how much 9 times 3 is. 9, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Oh, all right, so that's the difference. If I said 9 plus 3, the answer would be 12. But 9 times 3, which is an entirely different thing, it means 9 in the sections of 3's, we came up with 27. Adding versus multiplication. 2 different concepts. 8 plus 0 equals what? 8 plus nothing else equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is what we're saying. When we say 8 plus 0, and this is for my children and parents around the world, I appreciate you being here in Cindy's Corner. 8 plus nothing else will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus nothing else will give us 8. The difference with multiplication is we're saying 8 times 0. If we had nothing and we multiply nothing 8 times, we're going to come up with nothing. Adding versus multiplication. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 8 times nothing equals nothing. The difference between adding and multiplication. Let's do more. Now if we take 12 and we multiply it by 3, let's try that. 12 multiplied by 3. Now we're going further than the ones column, and we went over that before. Now we're going further than the ones column. Now we are saying 12 times 3. So we have the ones column and we have the tens column. What does that equal? As you know in math, there's a way to find out. We always start with the ones column. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 12 times 3 is 36. But what does it mean in multiplication? It means that if we have 12 dresses, and we have them in 3 carts, then we will have a total of 36 dresses. 12, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. We had 12 dresses, and they were in 3 separate carts. Altogether, we would have 36 dresses. Well, let's say we had 3 coats in a closet. We have 3 coats in 1 closet. How many coats would we have? We have 3 coats in 1 closet. How many coats do we have? Correct. 3. 3 times 1 is 3. But said if we have 3 coats and we have 1 closet, then we have 3 coats. That is your multiplication. We're just doing the basic function right now. While I'm using my beautiful numbers that I got from one of my favorite stores, Target, we are going to, and I would say, if you want to, pick them up, Target online. You know, at Cindy's Corner, we're always helpful. We love our viewers in Cindy's Corner. And this is Mindy from Cindy's Corner talking about something that she loves to talk about, and that is numbers, because we know that numbers are fun. Let's add. We're going to add 138 plus 36 plus 65. 1's column, 10 column, 100 column. 8 and 6 are 14. 5 more is how much? 14 plus 5 is how much? 19. We're going to carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. And we're going to carry the 1. 1 and 1 is 2. So we have a column there. Adding in columns. 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 5 is 19, 9 carry a 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, 7, 13. 3 carry a 1. We have a 2. Your answer is 238 plus 36 plus 65 is 239. Let's change the numbers around. Use your pencils and your paper, your whiteboard, whatever you want. Join me here in Cindy's Corner, where we talk about numbers. We do the basic functions because numbers are fun. But not only are numbers fun, numbers are very necessary in everyday life. 5 plus 6 is 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. 5 more is 16. Carry a 1. 6 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 6 is 11. 16. 6 carry a 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 4. 10. Carry a 1. 105 plus 36 plus 65 is 206. Adding in columns. That's all we're doing. 6 carry a 1. 1, 4, 6. 0 carry a 1. 206. We're adding in columns. What if we want to do percentage? Percentage is another area of math. Let's do percentage. We have a dress that costs $90. But when we went to the store, we saw this beautiful dress and we said, wow, I want that dress. But there they are saying that if you buy this dress, we'll take 30% off. Sounds like a good deal. But how do I know how much I'm going to pay for this dress? The dress itself costs $90. Drop some comments below. Let me know if this is helpful. Let me know some different ideas. And we're going to go on in Cindy's Corner. Thank you, my students and parents around the world. Like and subscribe. We're going to have more videos. A $90 dress is marked with 30% off. We're going to a store. This is how math helps you in everyday life. And you'll say, well, 30% sounds great. I want that dress. I think I'll get it. But in your mind, you can figure out how much you're saving or how much you're going to pay for the dress. You want to know that before you get there to the counter. We find percentage by putting a decimal in front of the percent. Because a decimal 30 is the same as 30%. This is it in decimal form. This is it in fraction form, 30 over 100. But right now, we're going to use it in decimal form because we want to know how much we're going to save. If we take 30% from $90, 0 times 0 is 0. Zero times 9 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. And 3 times 9 is 27. $27. $27 is 30% of $90. So are you paying $27 for the dress? No. No. But in our head, we multiplied 30, decimal 30 times 90. And we came up with 27. $27. This is how much we're going to save if we buy this dress, because they told us that they're taking 30% off. All right, I'm saving $27. But how do I find out how much I'm actually going to pay for the dress? It says 30% off. To find out how much you're actually going to pay, you're going to take 30% off of $90. 30% of $90 is $27. So, this is what we're going to do. We're going to say 90 minus 27. Oh, 90 minus 27. That's how much I'm going to end up paying. All right. So, let's start here. 90 minus 27. $27 is 30% of 90. We know that already. So in your mind, you'll say, well, the dress is $90 and I'm saving $27. And all I have to do is take away 27 from 90. 10 minus 7 is 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. 8 minus 2 is 6. Voila. Oh, if I take $27 from 90, I'm going to end up paying $63 for a $90 dress. Sounds like a good deal. 30% of 90 is $27. What you're going to end up paying is $63. Everyday life, you can use math, and it'll help you. Now let's say the $90 dress says we're going to take 10% off the $90 dress. You're going to a different store. And you say, I like this dress too. Or this two-piece suit. But it has 10% off. How do I find out what 10% of 9 is? Same process. Decimal 10. Because decimal 10 is the same value as 10%. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. 9 times 1 is 9. How much is 10% of 90? 0, 0, decimal 9. $9. Oh. So in your head, you're multiplying decimal 10 times 9. You come up with $9. I am saving $9 if I buy this dress, this two-piece suit. I'm saving $9 because this is 10% off. And I'll be saving $9. It might be worth it. If you're saving $9, how much are you actually paying? How much are you actually paying if you're saving $9? You have to take $9 away from 90. 10 minus 9 is 1. And you bring down the 8. You're actually going to pay $81 for a $90 dress. And you're thinking, $9 is 10% of 90. If I take away $9 from $90, I'm going to come up with $81. I think I'm going to pass. I need a bigger value of that. A bigger percentage has to come off in order for me to buy this dress. I don't want to pay $81 for a $90 dress. If I'm going to get a discount, I want a larger discount. So we pass on that one. So the point of this, and the point that I'm making today in Cindy's Corner, is that in everyday life you can use values. You can use values to add columns. You can use number values to find out percentage. If there's a sale, if there's something that you really want, do you really want to do that? Do you really want to pay that price? You know, is it worth it? Do I want to do that? How much am I saving? It's just numbers that you're using in everyday life. That's why numbers are fun. But numbers are also valuable because it can help you make decisions. We're going to go into the numbers column now. We're going into the numbers column now. We're going to add. Now we're going to add in Cindy's Corner. We have 60 plus 89 plus 2. We're adding in columns. 0 plus 9 plus 2 is 11. 9, 10, 11. We're going to put a 1 here. And we're going to carry a 1. 7 plus 8 is 15. How do you know 7 plus 8 is 15? 7 plus 8 is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. So as we carried the 1, 7 plus 8 is 15. So if I have $60 worth of meat, $89 worth of groceries, and $2 for a dozen of eggs, my total that I'm going to pay is $151. Math in Cindy's Corner, everyday life. Our numbers can help you make decisions. Thank you so much for coming to Cindy's Corner today. You are appreciated. My students and parents around the world. Numbers can help you make decisions. And you are appreciated. Drop a comment. Let me know. What do you think of this video? What other ideas can we make as far as making decisions in Cindy's Corner? And I will see you next time in Cindy's Corner. Drop a comment, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. In Cindy's Corner, you are appreciated. How numbers can help you in everyday life. I'll see you again in Cindy's Corner.